something like that would be the best.
A monster mug.
Yeah, exactly. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and it's Wednesday morning, so we're halfway through the week already, and gosh, it's just flying by. We're doing a lot with our SEE, Southeastern European Real Estate Awards, which is coming up next week, Wednesday, Thursday. Exciting panels, exciting awards. We got to look at our award dancers. They're very nice, and working with them to make sure everything goes well. So that's an exciting part we're adding to it. So fully busy on that. Also working on SEE Investment Awards, which will happen in October. We just booked the Intercontinental for October 20th, 21st. So another big evening out. We hope you can all make it. Lots of exciting real estate news this week. So many things coming on board. Definitely, I'd like to welcome again our editor-in-chief of Europa Property, Winston Norman.
Good morning, Craig.
Welcome, and thank you for doing this big day on the news.
You're welcome.
I'm out of coffee again, so let's take a quick break, and I'll be right back, and we'll do the news. So everyone enjoy our. I guess we should run a commercial break. Everyone enjoy our 20-second commercial break, and we'll be right back. Exciting. And now for the refurbishment award of the year, project of the year, and the winner is Happy Cotachendi, Happy Europe. Okay. So congratulations to the team at AFI and AFI Europe, and Okay, we're ready to go now. Full cup of coffee and ready for the exciting news of the day. So Winston, why don't you throw it out there to us?
Yeah, thanks, Craig. I will begin in the Czech Republic, where Horizon Development has acquired 240,000 square meters of land from the Mangate Group in the village of Stadnice, which is in central Bohemian region, only 11 kilometers from the capital. The residential project will eventually offer 500 units, and the project will consist of two stages. The beginning of construction for the first stage of the Aura project, it's called, and it's already got a valid planning permit. The first stage will start in the autumn, and they estimate that it will take 2.5 years to finish this development.
Wow, okay.
And according to Yishay Furman, he's the CEO of Horizon, he says that the prices of residential real estate in Prague are constantly rising, so no surprise.
Yeah, not a shock.
And he says the municipalities around the capital are offering extremely attractive development opportunities.
Okay.
And with affordable prices. And he says that the Prague demand in Prague is high and vacancy is very low.
So that's a nice place also to be, yeah?
Sounds very nice, yeah. The central Bohemian region.
Ooh, excellent. All right.
Moving on, and we'll go up to the Baltic states, where East Capital Real Estate has announced that they've strengthened their sustainability charter with 3 new BREEAM certifications.
Wow.
And they also announced that they're the first company in Estonia to get a certificate for industrial property with a BREEAM.
Oh, okay, great. Well, it looks like sustainability is taking hold everywhere and in every sector.
Yeah, and the properties are in Tallinn, and like I said, one's an industrial property, and the other 2 are retail properties. And according to Albin Rosengren, he's the partner at East Capital Group. He says that these certificates do not only increase the attractiveness of investments, but they also increase the value of the portfolio. And it's strong evidence that the properties are attractive for investors and for the well-being of tenants.
Oh, great.
Moving on to Romania, and CTP is accelerating development in Romania. They aim to complete construction of 300,000 square meters.
Wow.
In 2021.
Big projects.
Yeah, and they estimate that the value of these projects will be 200 million euros. And according to Valentin Rosu, he's the regional director for CTP in Romania, he says that CTP is recognised for its premium custom service and the speed that it delivers new constructions. And he goes on to say that they've already managed to erect 25% of the building for Kingfisher in just 2 months.
Wow, very quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he goes on to say that this year they want to continue with the good pace that they achieved in 2020.
And Kingfisher, aren't they the beer guys?
They definitely in retail. I'm not sure if they're the beer guys.
Okay, well, we want to get them done either way. Yeah.
Yeah. Staying in Romania and Globalworth, they've offered office space for a COVID vaccination centre.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, so they're giving 300 square meters of office space in Bucharest, which is a COVID-19 pandemic centre, and it's led by the public authorities. And the centre hopes to help aid keep the third phase or the third wave of the virus, down.
Right.
And they're hoping to vaccinate 360 people a day. They're going to have 35 medical professionals there.
Well, that's a very good idea. I'd give them one of our rooms if they'd set up a vaccination center out here. We'd definitely be happy with that.
And this is to do with the Globalworth Foundation, so it's been helping the COVID situation in Romania.
Right. It's good to see. I mean, I know Globalworth is doing a lot with the charities, but it's good to see they're doing even more with this.
Yeah, and they're hoping obviously to get the world back to normal and resuming economic activity. The sooner to get rid of the virus, the sooner things go back to normal.
Yeah, sure.
And then coming back to Poland for our last news story today, and JLL has been appointed the leasing agent for the PATRIZIA office building portfolio in Poland.
Oh, okay.
It's a portfolio of 65,000 square meters, and JLL will act as a partner of MVGM as the new property manager of PATRIZIA's portfolio. And these buildings are located in Warsaw and Wrocław. And it's a total of 8 buildings.
Wow, great. So that's a big project.
Big client, big project, and I think JLL will be very pleased with that.
Excellent. So is that all we have for the day?
That's all I've got for today, but the news will be updated throughout the day.
Right.
So,
and I saw we got a couple of new sponsors for our SCE Awards. So just to thank everybody, our premier partners, Hagag, CTP, which we mentioned in the news, our award sponsors, which is AFI Europe, Bogart, Brisk, SEMO, Emo Finance, great to have Emo Finance, of course, on board, and as an investor, Optim Project Management, New Work, as we know New Work from the offices here, CDDI, which is doing a lot in Romania these days. Oh, they turned off the thing. CDDI, with corporate due diligence and investigations. I was talking to Preston, he's doing loads in Romania and in Bulgaria these days. Build Green, which is our sustainability partner every year, and of course EY, which is doing our auditing for the awards.
Yes, they are.
So we would like to thank everyone and have a nice day. We know that also the COVID numbers are going up like crazy in Central Eastern Europe, so stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you tomorrow.